हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट आर क्रिप्टोग्राफिक अटैक्स एंड व्हाट आर इट्स डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज। ओके, तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्रिप्टोग्राफिक अटैक्स मीन्स बाय द विच द अटैकर डिक्रिप्ट द साइफर टेस्ट। इट मीन्स ब्रेक द साइफर टेस्ट विदाउट द नॉलेज ऑफ द की। ओके, in this attack, attackers subvert the cryptographic system security by exploiting the loopholes in code, cipher, cryptographic protocol or key management scheme. Okay, cryptography attacks are based on the assumption that the cryptanalyst has knowledge of the information encrypted. Okay, attackers have found various attacks for defecting the crypto system, and there are categories into 8 types. Okay, so the first type is cipher test only attack. In these types, one of the basic types of active attack, because it is very easy for the attacker to get cipher test by sniffing the traffic of any individual. Okay, in these types of attack, attackers will have access only to cipher test of several messages, all which were the encrypted using the same encryption algorithm. Okay, finding the key used encryption is main objective of the attacker, as it allows the attackers to decode all the messages encrypted with the respective key. Okay, so this is the cipher test only attack. Next is adaptive chosen plain text attack. Okay, in this attack, the collaborative version of the chosen plain text attack. In these types of attack, attacker choose for the cipher test based on prior result. Okay, here the cryptanalyst not only chooses the plain text that is encrypted, but can also modify his or her choice based on the result of the previous encryption. Okay, next is chosen cipher test attack. In this attack, the attacker chooses the some part of the cipher test to be decrypted and tries to find out the corresponding decrypted plain text. Okay, this is usually done with the help of decryption oracle. It means a machine that decoded the test without disclosing the key. Okay, basically this types of attack is applicable to public key crypto system. This attacks is harder to perform when the compared to other attacks. Okay, and the attackers needs to have complete control system containing crypto system in order to carry out this attack. Okay, next is rubber hose attack. In rubber hose attack, attacker extract the secret key from the user by threatening, blackmailing or torturing him or her until the key is handed over. Okay, next is chosen plain text. This is more powerful than plain text attack. Okay, in these types of attacker not only has access to cipher test and associated plain text for several messages, but also choose the plain text that is encrypted and obtain the resulting cipher test. Okay, next, non plain text attack. In non plain text attack, the attacker has access to the cipher text of one or more messages as well as access to respective plain text. Okay, with the help of the both these items, the cryptographic key can easily extracted. Okay, attackers can recover the remaining encrypted zip files with the help of the extracted key. Okay, in general, the most of the people start their messages with the same types of beginning notes such as greetings and close with the same types of endings such as specific salutation, contact information, name, etc. Okay, attackers can use this advantage to launch known plain text attacks. Here's the attacker has some plain text, that is the data that are the sum each message. Okay, and capture a encrypted message and therefore capture the cipher text. Okay, once the few parts of the message is rediscovered, the remaining can easily be accomplished with the help of reverse engineering, frequency analysis or brute force attempts. Okay, so this is known plain text attack. Next is chosen key attack. In this attack is a generation of the chosen text attack. In this attack, the attacker has some knowledge about the relationship between the different key but cannot the chosen the key. Okay, last one, timing attack. Timing attack is also known as side channel attack. In these types of attack, attacker tries to compromise a crypto system by analyzing the time taken to execute cryptographic algorithms. Okay, so this is the 8 types of cryptography attack. Thank you for watching.